how to make and create a resume on Google Docs PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Docs. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top right here and you will find this resume option. Click on it, and if you didn't find it, all what you have to do is go to the search and search for resume like this, and you will find it. Then click on it like this, and here on this page you will be able to add your name. For example, I'm gonna add my name like this, and after you finish editing all those information, all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here and click on this share option, and you will be able to download this docs, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later in the next video.